Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2014 Land Rover Defender 110 long wheelbase with urban modifications. The exterior of this vehicle has been completely overhauled with urban truck additions. I'm just going to walk you through some of the features you've got around the car. To begin with, you've got the DRL integrated front bumper, the best of British Wingtop vents and grille kit with some of the aesthetic grilles around the car. You've also got the checkered plate kit, the aluminium steering guard, the upgraded lighting system with the LED daytime running lights. You've got the NAS rear step with tow bar attachment, the side steps and also privacy glass. On the rear of the vehicle you've also got the urban truck spare wheel cover and then some of the urban truck badging around the exterior such as on the side of the bonnet. You've also got a list of optional features from Land Rover themselves. To begin with, you've got the Land Rover Expedition roof rack. You can see this on the top of the vehicle with the quad lighting system at the front and the Land Rover badging. You've also got the raised air intake and the rubber load area mats on the interior of the vehicle. Moving to the inside, you do have a full cloth upholstery. You've got the cold climate package which gets you the heated windscreen and the heated front seat functions where you can see access to these on the centre console area. You've got the comfort pack as well which gets you the electric front windows and the remote central locking. Some of the urban truck additions do continue onto the interior with the MOMO steering wheel and urban truck badging on the centre steering wheel area. You've got the Pioneer AVIC navigation system with the infotainment system and the rear view camera accessible through your centre screen area. You can see your standard gear stick and driveline selector on the centre console area with the lever wrap centre console, the cup holder area. You do have mobile phone preparation with the microphone in front of the steering wheel and also microphones and speakers throughout the vehicle. The list of features on this 2014 Land Rover Defender urban crossover continue. If you'd like to see the full list of specifications, be provided with a video walk round or virtual video test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.